This home is proudly listed by Marshall.toney, associate broker with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices. Simply stunning describes this extremely maintained, certified built smart home. This home is completely move-in ready with almost nothing left to be done. Bring your furniture, place it where you like and head to the large deck, and relax while overlooking the lake, or take a splash in the community pool, or take a leisurely stroll through the beautiful community and meet your neighbors. Yes, moving day can be that simple. You will also be pleased with the features of this home. Upon entering, you are greeted with space that can easily transition as a formal room or an ideal home office. From the foyer area, the space flows to a spacious family room that opens to the chef's delight kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, the kitchen also adjoining a lighted-filled morning room area. The second floor is equally impressive and offers a spacious loft area, great master suite, and 2 additional nicely sized bedrooms.